Hey besties, and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today, I want to speak on two items from the men's collection. My CA sent this over to me and I want to just see what you guys have to say about it. But before we get started, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you're doing what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you're doing what you want. What you want.
So besties, please get comfortable, drink your wine, sip whatever you have, coffee, tea, but I'm going to do a small disclaimer, okay? Please, whatever I speak on today, you don't have to actually indulge and basically make it your opinion as well. Do you guys understand what I'm saying? Please do not let how I feel about certain items affect you. If you feel like this item is cute, if you feel like you want to pre-order, spend your money on this item, please reach out to your CA. I'm only giving my opinion and I am going to give you other options, okay? So you don't have to spend that, because the item that I'm going to show you, both of them, we actually have it in our collection. And you guys know I'm a converting queen. I do whatever I need to do to get the job done. Again, small disclaimer, please do not base my opinion off of any decision that you actually need to make for your own good, okay? First and foremost, Exhibit 1. Here it is. Okay, guys. For real, I know you are a creative genius. I love it. I love how creative you are. Not love this, but I love how creative you are. Guys, I'm going to tell you, I actually saw this 2 or 3 years ago. It went viral. A young lady was already doing this. No, her bag, she did not go and have manufactured leather. None of the good stuff that LV has the money to do, right? But this was already created by a young lady. She was actually purchasing shopping bags, luxury shopping bags. People were donating to her. And she was already creating handbags out of the shopping bags that we received from these luxury brands. So again, I saw this floating around. I think it was like in 2019, 2020. So she was doing it. She just didn't have the leather material, and of course, her inside interior was not leather as well. It was just basically the shopping bag, and she would use some type of, you know what, like the plastic inserts that we use for the kirigami sets, the one that we get from Amazon. She was just taking that material and just outlining the outer packaging, the bag, so it would be thick and it wouldn't tear as easy. And she was just inserting D-rings on the side, guys, and adding straps. This was already created. But again, I tell you guys, they watch us. They watch us. I am honestly waiting on them to do the same thing that I did with the perfume case. I showed you guys when I did the runway, the fashion show runway. I am honestly waiting. I use a shopping bag as well. Okay, so again, Exhibit 1, I am not saying not to purchase. I am just saying utilize the shopping bags that we actually have in our collection if you just feel like you need this. No, our items are not leather. This is leather inside and leather outside as well. And it does have the side compartment, okay? Okay, guys, I am sorry. My husband interrupted me. He was here on the side. I had to stop the camera. You guys know I'm honest with you. He was like, where is that ring? And I'm like, babe, you know I was cooking. He was like, I'm finished cooking. Put that ring on. And I'm like, okay. He being forceful, Mr. the Bean Head.
Something the bean.
The bean. Anyways, so let's get some information on this, okay? It is called the shopper bag. This is the MM size. The price, $4,350 for this. With tax, we are going to be paying, I would say, close to like $4,600, $4,700 for the shopping bags that we already have, okay? And they also added a strap. The strap actually matches the tote handle. Guys, we don't even need a strap. We can just carry it as a tote. I'm not sure who's going to carry this over the shoulder, who's going to carry this as a crossbody. I think it's going to be heavy because it's leather inside and also on the outside. I would say it's creative. You will find some people that will actually spend money to purchase this. I'm not saying it's not creative. I'm just saying I'm passing because my CA sent it to me and basically was like, Marquita, you need this in your collection. I'm like, no, baby, you are lying. I don't need this in my collection. It does come with a side zipper compartment. I told you guys this. And of course, it's from the men's collection. This is silver hardware, okay? I do see the D-rings at the top of the shopping bag. So you guys know that's where we can attach the strap. And it's also D-rings on the opposite side. Well, on one side where the zipper is, I'm pretty sure there's a swivel hook to where you can close this. But I'm still not sure how it's going to protect your inside or anything, secure your inside items, unless you find some type of insert organizer, okay? So this again is the shopping bag. This is the MM size, $4,350. Launch date is January the 4th. December 4th, guys, you know it's 30 days out. You should be able to pre-order if you are interested. The product code number is M24457. Again, this is the shopping bag in the MM size, outside leather, inside leather as well. That's why the price is basically so expensive. And y'all see this? This is the exact tote handle, and I'm pretty sure, guys, theirs is a lot thicker. I'm pretty sure he put some thought into making it durable, but this is all I see. And this is from my attic. I have, I would say, over 300 of these. And so this is it, guys. This is the MM size. I wonder if this is the MM size or the GM size. I don't know. It looks like it'll be the MM size. And it's not going to be leather inside, but I can make it work. I can do something to make it work or eliminate the inside. And I told you guys, the D-rings are on this side. Okay? They're on this side, so you can attach that strap. And again, I don't know who's going to wear this as a shoulder bag. And I would say this is the GM size. I think this is the GM size. Yeah, this would be a GM size. Okay, so the shopping bag, MM, $4,350. If you have these shopping bags in your collection, if you are not framing them, guys, get creative. Don't spend that money, okay? Okay, of course, so I had to go and get it. I think this is the MM size, okay? This is more like the MM size. And guys, now that I look at it, guys, it's kind of cute. it's kind of cute. So this is the MM size. The other one that I showed you, that would be a GM size. And I see what he's doing, but I just don't see it for that price. So I have all these just stuck in my attic. So this is the MM size. The D-rings will be here on the side, but I will carry it as a tote. So, and I'm just going to carry them myself, just like this. This is my on-the-go tote shopping bag, and I don't know if it's going to be that long, but hey, I'm just going to name it something else. So guys, if you do have these in your collection, either frame them or turn them into your own shopping bags, guys, but utilize everything because we do pay for these items. So I wanted to show you. The other one was a GM. This is an MM size. The next one, I'm going to say it was kind of cute. You guys know I love different, but it's not cute for this price. Here it is. This is the sandwich bag. I don't know why they named it this. That was like a total turnoff for me. The sandwich bag, they could have most definitely put more creativity in the name. Okay. The shopping bag, yes, it's a shopping bag. But a sandwich bag? Okay, let's just keep going. Here it is. This is the sandwich bag, guys. And what I'm going to say about this, I'm going to say that last. But again, this is leather on the outside and also on the inside. It comes with 2 pocket compartments on the side. It doesn't come with a zipper compartment. Basically, this is just wide open. Okay, it's no other compartments inside. We are basically just putting our items in, or we can find some type of insert that will work with this. This is $3,100 with tax and everything, guys. It's close to $3,400, $3,500. The sandwich bag, okay? The product code number is M24578. January the 4th. Reach out to your CA. Now, this I would say you can carry as a tote, a little tote, because you don't have a tote handle. So you have to carry it like as a little tote, like a little clutch. And you also can carry it under your underarm, okay? I don't see any straps to where we can use it any other way. I want to say this. For this sandwich bag to be $3,100, why is the closure Velcro? Why is the closure Velcro? I hope this is the strongest Velcro that LV could find. Because as the items go in, guys, it's going to weaken that Velcro. Yes, it's leather. It's already going to be heavy because of the inside being leather and the outside being leather. But as you put items in, that's going to weaken that Velcro. And the wear and tear on it, I'm telling you guys now, I can just see so many complaints when it comes to this. And a lot of people are going to order because it is creative. And I love creativity as well. But again, I don't have time for nice looking handbags, cute handbags. I need handbags that I'm actually going to use. And again, this is from the men's collection. I love the simple fact that they are stepping out doing something different. That's what I love. That's what I enjoy about the men's collection. The different colors. You guys see that the Speedies are getting ready to launch. Beautiful colors. The red, green, yellow. Guys, it's amazing what they are doing in the men's department. Now, the ladies, I don't know what's going on with us as far as the creativity. But let's get back on this. So this is the sandwich bag. And I'm not feeling that price. I'm not feeling it at all. I would say that they should have at least had a button magnetic closure. Some type of different type of closure, paying over $3,000. It shouldn't be Velcro at all. So guys, you let me know how you feel about this. Me, when my CA told me she can see me having it in my collection, this is totally me. I know she was doing her job, but it didn't work. It's not at all. I know my hands are itching to try to purchase something, but I'm being very smart about my next moves. That's just not it, okay? And I want to speak on one other thing as well, guys. If you notice, with these Speedies that are coming out in the men's collection, they have launched out the size 25. They have launched out the size 40. We haven't seen pictures of the 50 yet, but they come with a small pochette, okay? And I'm not even going to say small. The 25 pochette is very, very nice. It's a nice size. The size 40, I think it's the same size pochette as we have for the Marquita reverse monogram loop gem. You know how it comes with the pochette? I think the Speedy 40, I think that's the same size. So this isn't a key pouch. This is too big to be a key pouch. When I say I am so proud of this collection, the colorful Speedies and the different sizes, no, the price is and I'm not even going to complain about the price. The leather being inside and being out and then adding the colors, I even talked to my husband about it. I actually love it. I know, of course, he's not going to carry it, but I love it. I love the different colors. I feel like we need to change up some things for the women. We need more colorful handbags in the unprun leather. Except for the black, the cream, the turtle dove. We have one fuchsia. We have all different colors in the epi leather. I think we need to start incorporating more colors with the unprun leather handbags. Just like the on-the-go totes. that I have, the summer blue from the By the Pool collection, that's a beautiful color. We just need them to incorporate more colors for the upfront leather collection from the women's. Okay, but I want to tell you this before I get off of here. It's supposed to be a short video. Inside of the Speedies, each one of the Speedies, they are stating that it's a plaque inside. Not even they are stating, it is. It's a plaque inside, a gold plaque from Pharrell, okay? He is basically leaving a quote for us. So inside on the plaque, the gold plaque, it states what size Speedy it is, basically a Speedy 25, and he gives us a personal quote. For $10,000, that better be a quote from God himself. That better be a quote from God himself. $9,300 for the Speedy 25. I want him to talk directly from God and give us the message. Because some of the quotes people have been telling me that he's been leaving, I just want him just to leave that part alone, okay? So I just want your opinion, guys. How do you feel about the men's collection? How do you feel about the shopping bag, MM? How do you feel about the sandwich bag? And how do you feel about these Speedies that Pharrell has dropped, even with the pochette? I think that was such a great idea. And I'm not going to complain about the price, guys, because we are getting a leather handbag. This isn't canvas. Inside, outside, and then we're getting a pochette, a leather pochette that we can attach to anything, guys. We can attach to anything. So let me know how you feel. Again, this video is not to bash anything. I'm just basically giving my opinion. You guys know how I do with new launches. Again, be ready for January. Please be ready for the denim collection. It is getting time to start the pre-order for these items. Let me know if you are interested in purchasing anything that I spoke on today. As always, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next video. Mwah. Bye-bye.